Hello friends, welcome to Coding. In this video, we are going to learn how to iterate over a tree map. So we have seen two ways to iterate over any map interface. So first one was using the keySet method and another one was using entrySet method. So in same ways, we will use these two methods with tree map. So here we have a tree map called students and we have added the values with the put method inside this students tree map and we are printing it. So we are getting the output as 1 Mike, 4 Tom, 5 John. So why this one is printed first? Because TreeMap maintains the ascending order. So keys ascending order is maintained, not of values. Now we want to iterate over this tree map. So let's first see using a keySet method. So what is a keySet method? Let's see that first. So let's copy the statement, print it here, and we will say students dot keySet. So what this method does, it will provide all the keys which are present in your tree map. If I run this code, so we are getting here 1, 4, 5. So with the help of key, now you can get the values, right? So we have seen the get method, which takes key as a parameter and it will return us the value. So we can make use of this key set method. Let's see how to use it. So we can have a for loop here, and this is what key set is returning us. And these are the keys, right? And what is the type of key? Keys of type integer. We need to have one variable of type integer. Can also use int primitive data type, or you can use the integer wrapper class. If I say integer key, you can provide any name here, and here students dot key set, and inside this for loop we will print out the key equal to, and key is present inside this key variable, right? So here we will say key, and then we will say value is equal to, and how to get the value with the help of get method. So here students dot get, and here you need to pass the key, and key is present inside this key variable. So we will have this key variable here. And if I run this code now, let's see the output. So we are getting the output here. So see, first time key is 1, value is Mike. Key is 4, value is Tom. Key is 5, value is John. So we have iterated over this tree map using the key set method. I hope you understand the key set method. Another way is using an entry set method. How to do with entry set? Let me remove this code now. First we will see what is entry set is returning us. Okay, out learns dot entry set, and if I run this code now, so this is our original tree map and this is the returned value from the method entry set. So entry set is basically returning us both keys and value. For that you need to make use of for loop. Okay, so for loop, here you need to say map dot entry, and here you need to pass the data type of key and value. This can be removed here. So map dot entry, and what is the type of key? Key is of type integer, the value is of type string, and then you need to provide a reference variable name. So let's say my name is student, and here you need to provide this particular statement, so which is students dot entry set. Whatever this statement is returning, so basically this is being returned here, right? So this will be stored inside the student now. And now from this particular variable you can get the values and keys. So how to get this key and value here? So here you need to say sysout, and then you can directly make use of inbuilt methods. So here we can say key equal to, and what is the method here? So this is the variable, right? Student. So I will say here student. So here you could see there is a method called get key, which will return us a key. Then we will say value, and then we will print the value. In similar way, in variable student dot get value. If I run this code now, we are able to get the value. So key 1 having the value Mike, key 4 value Tom, key 5 value John. So we have iterated over this tree map using the entry set method. So basically these are the two types in which you can iterate over a tree map. So this is an important concept where the interviewer mostly asks you about how to iterate over a tree map using entry set method or key set method. So now you are aware about both these methods, key set and entry set. So that's it in this video. We will see another topic in next video. Thank you for watching.